Want top tips on how to make your outdated bathroom the ultimate retreat? Stay tuned. Hey, good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll show you how to redo your master bathroom in just 14 days. Let's get started. On day one, you need to focus on having a plan. We got with the folks from Quality Construction and we communicated our vision, and then they told us what we could realistically design for our budget. Fortunately, we really weren't too far apart. But here's a top tip. Plan every aspect of your project before your contractor starts. This tip right here will help you manage expectations on both sides, as well as save time and money. Day two was all about the demo. We completely gutted out the lights, mirror, vanity, floors, the shower from top to bottom. So this was a complete mommy room redo. We got a new look on day three. Everything was ripped out, so we see that the contractors have closed up the space. Cool. And this box is here, and so what this box is the area for our niche. I'm super excited about that. Previously, the owner had something hanging from the shower, and it was to hold your shampoo, conditioner, soap, things like that. I hated it. It was so unattractive. So this niche will make it so that I don't have to use that hanging thing from the shower anymore. So thumbs up for that. Bottom of the shower has been covered. Yesterday it was completely open. This ledge right here was double the size, so they halved it. So what that means is that they will only require half the granite that's supposed to go on here. So it was probably about this big before, so now a smaller piece of granite can be used. But the other benefit is that the shower is so much wider. So I want to see how it feels to be in a shower this big. Only change that has taken place to the garden tub is this new faucet set. And I wanted to ensure that this could be changed to match the rest of the faucets in this bathroom. Prior, this was a gold chrome color, and I was really concerned that they would not be able to switch them out. So I see that they did. They were able to do that because when they had this ledge over here, it gave them access to the tub and to be able to change this. I made the choice to keep this tub as is to cut down on price. But then when I went shopping, I realized that tubs this size are really not that expensive. So I probably could have just added it in my budget, but I made the choice, so I'm going with it at this time. Now this window is going to remain the same as well, but I am going to make a change. I'm going to cover this with a film so that it will keep folks from being able to see me in here. And you know, it will kind of cloud my vision from looking out as well. So that's the only thing I'm a little bummed out about, but I do need some privacy with this window, so it'll be covered up. Yesterday, you may recall that there were blotches of paint here where I was testing out different colors. So you see that they've covered it with the paint of my choice. And I want to tell you, I really, really like it. It's a combo of lavender, brown, and gray, and it really pops. And what I like about it is the color changes as you put different light on it. So I'm excited to see how it will look when all the lighting is in here as well. Speaking of light fixtures, we're going to replace that single old-fashioned clunky light fixture. You know, the one with the Hollywood bulbs, with two more modern light fixtures. So I think that will really change the space. The water closet has been painted, the toilet has been removed, and the flooring has come up as well. So you see that they're prepping this area too, so we'll see. I just wanted to show you some of the supplies we'll be using. So this is the shower head that I picked out. And now we have this right here. This is for the floor as well as tiling the shower. As I said in a prior video, this is the largest tile that they have at Home Depot. It's 24 by 24. I'm a little nervous because it looks a little slippery, so I wonder how it will be to walk on. But the person in the store promised me it would be just fine once they grout it. This right here is just for accent. So this is going to cover the shower floor as well as the inside of the niche. It's day 4, y'all, and those contractors are really getting it. Look at how the paint and the tiles really transform the space. The big news is that they grouted these shower tiles and they looked marvelous. They did so using Poly Blend Plus non-sanded grout, and we got this from Home Depot. The color we used is Rolling Fog. So I was looking at the lighter colors, and actually the Home Depot person recommended the lighter colors, but my contractor recommended that we go with a slightly darker color because his clients have been complaining about keeping lighter colors clean. So I opted to do that, but quite frankly, it looks light enough. I'll give you a close-up view, but I'm happy with how it turned out. Now they have to redo the rocks again, and even though the Home Depot person said that we'd only need one box of this, we've already gone through one box, and it looks like we're going to finish a second box. So I guess her estimate wasn't quite accurate. Anyway, let's take a look at the work. So that's the niche. And it really looks good. I think going with the darker grout, and it's not even a dark grout, just darker than the pure white grout, it really blends well with both the larger stone and the rocks. So I think that was a good choice. So that's how that looks. And then this is the full shower. Take a look at the floor, which looks great. Again, they have to go over the rocks again. They said it needs a lot more grout. And then, as you'll see, they didn't tile this bottom piece here. That is going to have granite. This side piece is going to have granite also. And both pieces will match the granite that's on the countertop. So what do you think? Do you like what they've done? Do you have some suggestions? Please let us know down in the comments. And the big news here is that they finished tiling the bathroom floor. And I gotta tell you, it looks lovely. It is a porcelain marble designed tile, and it looks really good. I'm still concerned about it being slippery, especially when wet, so not sure how that's gonna go. But so far, so good. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is that they didn't line up the veins the way that I would like. I saw a design on the internet where the person really took care and made sure that the veins were aligned, and so it looked like one huge design when you stepped back from it. So I noticed that my tiles are kind of put anywhere, and while it's not a big deal for most people, the details make a difference. And so if I were going to do it again, I would talk to the contractor about making sure that the veins in the marble lined up. But other than that, it looks pretty good at this point, and I think I'm going to be happy with it because I can see that the shower looks good and the grout that I picked for the shower works well. So this is what we got at this stage of the makeover. Day 7, they finished grouting the bathroom floor. Days 8 and 9, they installed that custom vanity, and the granite people came and added the granite on top of the vanity as well as the other areas in the bathroom. Okay, so on day 10, all of the accessories were added. Check out that vanity light and that nice faucet, both from Lowe's. And then that mirror was purchased from At Home. On day 11, the frameless shower was installed by those gents from Glass and Door Pro. As a bonus, they also installed extra shelves, and we'll take a look at that later. On day 12, we added a few extras. Check out that makeup mirror from Lowe's and the towel holder from Amazon. That vanity makeup chair is also from Amazon. On day 13, I personally installed the privacy film from Amazon. I have an entire video demonstrating how this was installed. And finally, on day 14, I added what I call the feminine touch. You see, the brick and mortar stuff that the contractors put in make this master bathroom modern and functional. But the details, like the folded towels and the extra shelving, make this bathroom stylish. And there you have it. And now for our question of the day. What lessons have you learned during your last Mommy Room redo? Put those tips down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.